Wagwan. What is up, guys? You know, it's a boy JWG Jamaica Res Gamer here with another reaction. And today, from you can see from the thumbnail, you know what time it is. Lowski featuring Popcorn Avengers. From Popcorn Night, but I have to do it, because it's only right. Because you know say Papi a yard man, and you know say me a yard man. So you know, I want to say what Papi I say, I want to say what Lowski I say also. So, before we do anything else, still, you know what time it is, right? You know what time it is, right? Do this. Now that is done, which I hope so anyway, I could jump in on the track here and see what can go on. You understand? Honest review, I haven't seen this track yet. I haven't listened to this track yet. I haven't seen the video yet. Me do it on purpose. Just for react feet. We don't know. Is it? So let's go. Yardman thing. Tony get a Papi gun.
Loose, better than your mister.
Woo! We just started, I'm having to stop it. I have to stop it, guys. You know the rule. The bang up when forwarding with is just different. Let's continue, if I may.
Get caught cheating, I said bear, I never kissed her. Real life Avenger, the strip better than your mister. Get caught cheating, I said bear, I never kissed her.
Better than your mister. Get caught cheating. Said no, I never kiss her. Yeah, me no kiss. Me no kissy fur. That's what Lowski say. Me no kissy fur. Me no kissy. That won't matter. You understand? That the man I say. You see it?
Real life Avenger, the streets go remember. DJ Target with the bands, I get extra. They sound like me, so I guess I'm the sensei.
Man say with the DJ Target, I don't know the band me get extra. Money. The boy them sound like me. To them, you're the sensei, you're the general, you're the king. You see me? Them sound like me. Them a copy my style, them a imitate my style. Nothing hard to see about that. Even Stevie Wonder can say that and him blind. That the man I say. Me are the sensei, brother. You're the master.
Talking about bands, but your Audi's a template. You shoot like Wemby. Shit, I mean Weeby. It's a mad.
Oi! Can't make that pass, me. The man say, yo, not about it not done. Brother, remember say on the Audi upon 2010. 20 winner now. Your Audi 10 years old, brother. Your Audi is 10 years old. Where you go with that? Where template I go, brother? If on a 2021, don't chat to me. Move up. Error. Know yourself. New car with drive. Where second hand I go. Mad?
Mad move. Make DJ replay. Bam bam boom. Hot it. Shit, I mean Weeby. It's a mad move. Make DJ replay. Bam bam boom. Hot 2 when my G came.
Man say, yo, my song they make DJ have to replay them, you know. That the man I say, no. My thing they make DJ have to replay them because them a banger. Them hot. Them Scotch Bonnet. Them hot. Pickle Pepper. Hot. Summer in Egypt. Hot. Hot song me drop. If it not hot, me not drop it. That the man I tell you straight.
Oh, man down. Shaka like he say. Cool kid, big star. Big titty, Rick Bra. She asks what I'm wearing. I say shaka like he say. Cool kid, big star. Big titty, Rick Bra. She asks what I'm.
Big titty girl me love. Man say a big titty girl a prim. And she asks where my rear. You see me? When the big titty, hey babe, what you wearing? You know the thing a be. Thing up your zit. That the man I say no. Yo!
Wearing. I said this is big graph. Think about risky. Dry cry sizzler. Really got the block hot, but they don't get the picture.
Fire. The man refer it back to Sizzler. Think about this, dry cry. You know Sizzler song I say, dry cry, even tears, even my heart cries, but who cares? Whose fault? No one but myself. That the man I refer back the song to, you know. So him there Jamaica right now. Is it? Is it?
X54 pipe, you see the way it drift past? Shit, you probably missed it. I know it goes so fast.
Man say, yo, X5 me a drive. Four exhaust. Two over here and 2 over here. So that means it's a M Sport. You probably missed it. We me shot past quick. You didn't even see where that go. You see me? Them carry them on a drive. Where your template audio go, brother? Oh, I'm telling you, this is a M Sport X5, dog. 3 liter, 3.5 liter, sometimes even 4 liter too. Bad.
I was stuck up on a block like Spider-Man. My bro is like Iron Man. Pulling his back. Now I got all these bands. Baby got a ball cause I can.
Man say I'm stuck up on a block like a Spider-Man. Me stuck. Me nah move. Cause me have to make my money. I have to make my bread. Yes, so me day. This is my 9 to 5. This is my bread and butter. This is my 24 hours a day. You see me? Me no left the block. You saw me there. So when all them them gone for holiday and gone go look for girl, you saw me the same way. Me not moving. Money is the topic. Let's deal with it right here. This is where it's gonna be made. Let's go, dog.
I was stuck up on the block like Spider-Man. My bro is like Iron Man. Tool in his bag. Now I got all these bands. Baby got a ball cause I can.
The man say, yo, my brother come like an Iron Man. Cause him have a tool in him bag. Him an iron man, him have an iron tool in him bag. So you don't know him always left, him always have him iron. If a boy run up, know yourself. Know yourself. Know yourself. That the man I tell you now. What's up? Ready?
Lowski, wagwan broski. Boy get vexed stream baby mother post with.
Yo, man, fi cuss a bad word. Bumbo clot. The man say, yo, Lowski, wagwan broski. The boy get vexed. Trim baby mother post up on the gram. Big up Papi in the dog. Big up Papi. Me not gonna drop a... Me not gonna miss nothing in our Papi I say. Cause me know everything what Papi I say. Yo, the boy get vexed cause him baby mother like... Brother, stop search your girl phone too. Stop search your girl phone. You see me? I want to you, brother. Not because your girl like my picture. I even post my picture at that. Want to you. Know yourself. Fire for that. Don't watch your girl phone. Watch your man and watch your girl. I want to him, man. Ready?
That know she coming at me house fit. So cocky and she want do it bossy.
Bumbo clock. And next man would have to cuss. My youth. Your girl coming at my house for blow the thing, brother. For blow the pipe. You see me? For cool down the iron pipe. That she coming at my house for. And she want to do it bossy. Want to know? She do it bossy. Hey.
She see the roll here now. Lick off the bezel them. Send me location like Dave and Burnaman.
Does Dave and Burnaman have a song named Location? Leave it in the comment section. Let me know. I don't know. But the girl coming at my house and see the roll it, and I'm rolling this. I'm a G-Shock watch it. I'm everyday G-Shock. I have a next one. I have a couple watch it, but me not showing.
It's rich.
This is me roll it. So the girl come in and see it and lick off the bezel them. You know the thing? Cause she turn on by the jewelry, dog. She turn on by the... Papi, hold on, man. Water. Hold on. That's Skillibeng in the background. That's Skillibeng behind Papi. That is Skillibeng. People, Skillibeng is a bad Jamaican artist. If you don't know about Skillibeng, I go review a song with him one time. Let me see.
She see the roll here now. Lick off the bezel them. Send me location like Dave and Burnaman.
See that there? Skillibeng, man.
Yes. Girl want give me gift like say me win one tournament.
The girl want give me gift like say me win one tournament. See that? 3 girl on a tank top. A gift them want give me like say I'm the winner of a tournament. So let me present you with a prize. Let me present you with a trophy. Here you go, baby. That she said to him, no. Here you go, baby. See the price here? Fear at the price for Papi. You see me? That she said. Not me. Let's go.
We stay up and tell them like up my nigga me say free. Boy, I fish up and tournament. We stay up and tell them like up my nigga me say free. Boy, I fish up like.
We stay up, even though them lock up my nigga. Let me stay up. I have to say, yo, free, whoever may I say. Free chicken wings, free Burger King, free McDonald's. You see me? Free cartel. You see me? Shanstown, Cairo, Mad Sauce. Free up on yourself. Alright, so that's what the man is saying, that. Not me. That's what the man is saying. We stay up no matter what. Them can't go around the thing. Bumbleclot! The man said, boy, I have to shut up like Stormzy. Popcorn, how you getting at this? How the hell you getting at this? The man said, boy, I have to shut up like Stormzy. One time, hold on.
Boy, I have to shut up like Stormzy. When time me get a 3-wheel up, I mean, on the MK, no.
Bumbleclot! Sorry for the bad word, people. Popcorn, what you do? The man said, boy, you have to shut up like Stormzy. Because remember, said, Chip, fire 2 shots after Stormzy, and I know Stormzy in a reply now. That's what the man said. Jesus Christ, Lord have mercy. Da-da-dee, da-da. Oh, me get it wrong. Remember, said Stormzy have a song named Shut Up. Boy, run up them mouth. Me say, shut up. Shut up. Him have something where I say, shut up. Me can't remember exactly what it is. But Popcorn could be playing it off. It could be mean that, or what me just say. Popcorn, which one is it? More know, dog.
Boy, I fi shut up like Stormzy. When time me get a 3-wheel up,
Papi, your verse too short though, brother. Where you get 8 bars or what, brother? That wasn't no 16 bars. That look like 8 bars, dog.
All in his bag. Now I got all these bands. Baby girl, I bought cause I can. I was stuck up on a block
Like Spider-Man. Yo, the man fully ice out. The man fully ice out. Not Paul have nothing on him. Fully ice out. Look on him watch. Look on him pinky. Look on him. Fully ice out, brother. Ice.
My bro is like Iron Man. Tool in his bag. Now I got all these bands. Baby girl, I bought cause I can. I put diamonds in the trenches. I'm a cold stepper.
Diamond in the trench. Me a cold stepper. Get it? Diamond in the trench. You're stepping in the trench. I have diamond in the trench. Me a cold stepper. You get it? Rare player. When I use some stimulus and metaphor. Yo, I'm go on. Fire for that. Fire. Ready again.
Feel like heady on these youths, they should know better. I see the bag and get the bag cause I'm a go-getter. And pretty ones give me brain cause they're so clever.
The man say, yo, me see the bag and go get the bag. The bag of the money. Me see the money, I'm gonna get the money. You know why? Cause I'm a go-getter. Me not gonna sit down and know say the money out there and me just me hang around like a ears ring or a nose ring. No, I'm not gonna hang around nowhere. I'm gonna get it. You see me? Pretty girl give me brain because them clever. Remember say them clever, you know. So them give you a good brain, good head. Get it? That's what Lowski say, you know. Pretty girl give him brain, get head because them clever. So you know say them head game I go good because them clever. Like that.
Real hot stepper mix a Mary with a CC. Or a bit of CD, Sancho breezy. Young boys wild acting like Aquaman. You should have saw the way they went the block and then repeat. Used to
Me not get when just said this, sir.
Young boys wild acting like Aquaman. You should have saw the way they went the block and then repeat. Used to
the young boys them out here act mad like Aquaman. You don't know. You should have said the way the man them dip on the block. And every day them do it. Them just repeat it. Them not have no fear. All when one gonna prison, the rest of man them out there so see me I do the thing. You see me? Replacement. You don't know. Have to go on. Food have to make. That's what the man I tell you, brother. Loud.
to put crack on the pavement like a jackhammer. I love my bros, I can't switch, I ain't no backstabber.
Yo, me love the water. Man say, yo, me put crack on the pavement like jackhammer. Jackhammer, brother. Jackhammer, the thing will make you on the pavement. The man say, yo, me put crack on the pavement like that. Crack. Not the type of crack where the jackhammer making on the next crack. On the pavement like jackhammer, dog. Yo, that hard, you know?
And I can't listen to that you, cause he a cat rapper. The way I hopped out of the Benz, I feel like Big Spragger.
Man say, yo, me can't listen to them you that them thing low. Them not good. And right now, me jump out of the Benz like a big Spragger. Remember I say Spragger Benz, the artist, Jamaican artist, Spragger Benz. The man, you see me? The man I refer back to Jamaica again. Now our next artist.
I met Mad Dome, bros too aggro. You can call me Bankroll. Hit a lot of bad hoes. Shit gets awkward and you gotta send them back home.
Man say, yo, him sleep with a lot of bad girl, but he get awkward. One time you have to send them back, cause remember them bad, you know. So them are gonna have some attitude, you see me? You be leave no man time for go in, no man. We are dealing. Go on now. Cut no man. Cut. You see me? Me I go link up the dogs and now. Me have to go up on the road. You see me? That's what the man I tell you, dog.
Block like Spider-Man. My bro is like Iron Man. Tool in his bag. Now I got all these bands. Baby got a ball cause I can.
Man I repeat him verse again and I tell you exactly what I go on there. So Papi, your verse too short, dog. Papi, your verse should have longer than that, brother. Bad song still. Bad song. Me love this song.
My bro is like Iron Man.
Tool in the bag.
Now I got all these bands. Baby got a ball cause I can.
Man say, yo, me stuck up on the block like a Spider-Man, dog. Right there's something there. Me not moving. Get that right. If you want to find me, just find me up on the block. See it now? Avengers, Lowski and Popcorn. Out now on all digital platform. You see me? Apple Music, Spotify, and Amazon Music. So you know, so they stream them. I go on. You see me? Voila! Trouble! Yeah! Yo, the video bad. The rhythm bad. The visual bad. The lyrics them not the song bad. Everything just bad. Bad mean good. Good mean bad. You know what I mean? Already. Yo, bad song. Me enjoy that song there. People, if you don't enjoy this reaction, please leave your comment down below and let me know which song you want to see me react to. If If you want to see me react to some Jamaica song, let me know. And we can do it. You know what I mean? So people, this is where I'm going to end the video. Yeah? You don't know. Thank you for liking before you're watching, because once again, it was another fire one. You understand? I really appreciate it. Big up yourself, Popcorn. Big up yourself, Lowski. Bad song, dog. Bad combination, too. Very bad, very bad. Remember, I'm just a good mean, but what time? Later.